Hey, you may know me as Pineapples from our first video.
Ew.
Don't jack with the camera. That's a lot of money. And frankly, I want to keep that camera for a long time.
Oh my god, it's Cloud!
Yeah, from Final Fantasy. Anyway, focus. So, we are just making a random video. Because this is Sarah's last night
I don't want to leave.
in the high desert, Southern California. So we're just hanging out, drawing and stuff. So yeah.
I don't want to leave.
Too bad. I'll shove you on that plane.
You mean see, yep. Here's our drawing stuff. Is it beautiful? Oh, yep. This is my Smexy picture. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Do you see that?
It took her like 2 hours to draw.
Yes, because I'm a perfectionist. This is Baby Cloud. That our friend Pineapple.
down.
Right, you know what? Shut up. Drew. And then
That's
this is
just
another.
like coffee.
This is the picture that I.
The reference image that
Yes.
I printed and you're taking advantage of right now.
Yep, that's right. Now I am drawing Titus. Isn't he cute?
Yeah, him.
Yep, him right there. Right there.
Yeah, but this guy's the hottest.
Yes, he's
that's
mine.
Cloud.
I married him, and there will be an episode
Bleh.
coming. No, there will be an episode coming up about his smexiness. So do not worry. There will be a reference to him soon. The brown-haired one is Leon. Not that anyone cares.
Leon
so,
or
yeah.
Squall, whatever.
You know what?
Everybody
I don't
mix up
care.
his name. I'll look
I
it
know.
up on Google.
You know what? We'll do that. We'll look it up and
His
we'll
face
tell you
looks
guys.
weird. It's all like.
I know. Isn't it beautiful? Whoever did this work is an amazing artist. I wish I could draw like that.
Thank you, Simo Khan from DeviantArt.
Oh,
You rock.
okay. You rock, person. Yep. Very inspirational. See that? That's a beautiful picture right there.
That's Zidane.
Mhm.
Yay.
That's the yeah, whatever the heck his name is.
You
Whatever.
spelled it backwards.
Shut up.
Ow. And yeah, of course him. Him,
Yep.
Titus.
Titus. I'm drawing him right now. Don't worry. See? I'm drawing him. I'm starting right there. See? Isn't it beautiful?
What is that?
That is a circle.
With a line.
Yes, because I didn't finish
It's
yet.
it looks like an orange with a straw in it.
What about a pineapple? You should draw a pineapple. You know that?
It's too round.
I know, but we will make it into a pineapple. Do not worry.
Oh yeah. Hi. Okay, let's turn it around.
Ah! The way it burns!
Hey, you're fine with it with the video.
Yes.
Okay. Come on, Sarah. The world wants to see you. The world wants to see you. Hey, that's mine.
I know.
You could get your Sarah germs on it. Hey, I don't sleep on that, so you can do whatever you want to it. Just
Dang it. Where's another one?
Ow, don't hurt yourself.
Oh yeah, here we go. Perfect one right here.
Hey, I sleep on that.
I know.
I have my Britney germs on it.
Let's go to the toilet. We'll sink it in.
Oh, this is Chubb's cage. Yeah. Chubby, are you there? Are you alive, or
Whatever.
did you
Let's
die
visit Chubb's.
from the cold room?
It's
Okay.
not cold in here. Get over it.
Okay, I want to have you see Michelle, that didn't come in our first video, only
She's
in
the
the
camera
special things.
lady. She's the
Bathroom connecting my room to hers. Oh my gosh, Michelle! It's Michelle, the schmexy camera lady. Say hi.
Hello.
Say hello to the world.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Sarah is obsessed with Dane Cook.
Yep.
Oh, what are you drawing? You're drawing a man. He's
man.
naked right now. Let's come back later when he has clothes on.
Oh no. Run.
When he is clothed and decent.
I'm scared.
That's mine.
I know.
You dropped my sock.
Ew.
What happened to everything on my bed?
I don't know. I didn't touch it.
If my phone isn't there, I'm going to kill you.
Oh, really? You had one on there?
Oh, yes. Transformers!
Robots in the sky. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You didn't finish that, though.
You know what?
So,
Shush.
this is my room. Cloud posters.
He's mine.
Another cloud poster.
He's mine.
Do not fear the lights. I do not want them there. They're just there for a reason.
Peace out, dude.
Alright, yeah, peace out.
Yep.
Bye,
Bye.
person.
Bye.
Wow. Bye from the people who made the Exploding Pineapples video. Yay! Okay.
You can be done now.
Okay.
Be done.
Yay. Yay! Bye!
Yeah.